Hi everyone and welcome to my DIY with Marjaana channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicate cherry blossom earrings out of air dry clay. They are perfect for spring, especially now Hanami time. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm drawing some flower templates on paper. This helps to plan how the earring will look. Of course, you can shape the flowers without templates, but I think this helps. For each earring, I'm making one large flower and one smaller flower and 3 separate petals. I only drew 2 templates for the petals, if you're wondering why I'm having only 2 here, but I'll cut 2 larger ones and 1 smaller one for each earring. Next, I roll out a thin sheet of clay about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. I place my paper templates on top and carefully cut around them using a small knife. After cutting, I'm also shaping the petals slightly to give them a more natural look. And I'm roughing the middle of the flower. Let the pieces dry overnight. I made patterns for both sides and remember to make a hole for the jump ring. You can put the pieces in a plastic bag so they don't dry too much before you have time to do the patterns for the rest of the pieces. Once the clay is completely dry, it's time for sanding. I'm going over the edges to get rid of any rough spots, and remember to wipe the dust away after sanding. I'm using obviously soft pink acrylic paint for the flowers. I put a bit of darker pink in the center to get a nice look, and I'll let them dry at least overnight. earrings durable and give them a lovely finish, I'm applying a coat of Glossy Varnish. This protects the paint and the clay, and it also gives them a nice glow. I let the pieces dry for a couple of days to make really sure that the varnish is hard. Once everything is dry, it's time to assemble. I used 6mm jump rings for the larger flowers and 4mm jump rings for the individual petals. The larger flower is attached to the hook using a large and smaller jump ring. The smaller flower and one petal are attached to a 3 cm long chain, and the last 2 petals are attached to a 5 cm long chain. This creates a lovely, rich flower rain effect. When attaching all to the earring hook, place the larger flower in the front and the chains behind it, so when you wear the earring, the big flower stays visible in front. And here they are, finished cherry blossom earrings. Let me know in the comments what you think of these, and thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to see more earring tutorials, please like this video. And I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!